Oh. Yeah, relax. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Hop. Yeah. Oh, stop this bullshit, блядь. Okay. Score?
Last one.
Sure, let's go. Alright. Today we're gonna play football in Manila in BGC. See, they have a football field here, right in the middle of the city. If you look for a place where to play football in Manila, BGC, one of the best places where you can play. This called Turf BGC Turf. It's so bright, like at daytime. Manchester City. You playing at 10? No, you're not gonna play?
I don't know. I just bought it.
Ah, you just bought it? Ah, okay, bro. I thought you're gonna play football with us today. Nah?
I was waiting for my girlfriend.
Ah, okay. Sorry, bro. Hey, guys.
Whose side is this? Napoli now?
What's that?
Are you a fan of Napoli?
I just heard that if you wear blue, there is 200. So I have it black. Yeah, the time is 9:30 p.m. right now. So the people like actually doing sport at this moment in the BGC. The only minus of this field that they don't have any bathroom over there. So we will try to use facilities of this fitness, Manila Paddle Club. Let's see if they're gonna allow us. Nobody cares. We just use the restroom over here. So now I feel better. It's actually advisable to remove everything from your body before the game. So yeah, if ever guys, if you're gonna play football here, maybe you can use these facilities. You just need to ask permission. Or maybe don't need if there is nobody on the reception. Bro, nice to see you, nice to see you. I'm great. It's like long time. You buy Santos, you're today Santos.
No. Atletico Madrid.
Atletico Madrid, why not blue? It's blue, 200 pesos today.
Yeah.
It's a
This
promo.
is kind of blue, bro.
Kind of blue? Ah, okay, then
Kind of blue.
maybe it's going to be fun. Yeah.
Hey, Napoli.
Yeah, look at this. I think it's also 200 pesos they will allow you. 200 pesos. If today blue, you wear blue, it's only 200 pesos,
Okay.
not 300. Let's prepare now. Yo. Hey, bro. Wow, it's gonna be nice play today, bro. Let's go, you're late.
I've been sitting there, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I thought. Let's touch the field. Wow. Bля, what a nice field, bro. Crazy. Love it. It's gonna be amazing game now. Pam param. Pam pam param pam param. Wow, just so much artificial field, блядь. Cho, Habibi, wanna play with us?
Let me check with them.
Okay,
Emilio.
we have four. We have four, bro. Oh, блядь, we have to wear pink today. Yeah. Wait, they're gonna play first and then we after them. Like one lose, you go out. Easy, blядь. So see, sometimes people hitting each other, but everybody keep friendly. Yeah. No, yeah. You're in the vlog, bro, blядь. How about the boys from Yemen as well?
How are you? I'm from Somalia.
From Somalia, from Russia, bro. How about you, bro?
Sudan.
Sudan, nice. Bro, where are you from? Let me guess, Egypt.
No, Saudi
Yeah?
Arabia.
Ah, Saudi Arabia. Ah, okay, fine. I'm from Russia. Yeah, nice. Gianluigi, блядь. Yeah, you know. Yeah, bro. Up. Bro. Me, bro. Hi. Ah! Sorry. They're under. Nice. Under you. Блять. Сука. Sorry. Bro. Not bad. Брат, лево, брат. Давай на него. Good job. Абдалла. Алон. Сука, скор. Ай! Блять. Да ну нахуй. Вау. How we didn't score, сука. Ай. Nice. Oh. Hey, relax. It's okay, guys. Bro, just a little bit, it's okay, come on. No, yeah, you got the ball, bro, it's okay, it's your ball. Team. Yeah, need to pay. Because I'm wearing blue shirt today, they have a promo, 200 pesos only. But usually just 300. That's for you.
This is dark blue one.
Dark blue, Nice. 200 pesos for a game. А что, надо? У тебя нет? Надо?
200, да?
Yeah. Ну, не, у тебя 300 для тебя. Я голубую надел, тому 200.
Понятно.
Да. Yeah.
Okay.
They have a group on Facebook, and then they announce. Yeah, if you wear blue today, they're gonna give you discount. Nice. Score?
Last one.
Sure, let's go. Ай. Сука. Nice. О! Бля, чё за хрень? Come on, stop this bullshit, блядь. Пиздец, like always, нахуй. Бля, да ну нахуй. Бля, let's just play, let's go play. Let's play, нахуй. Guys, let's play.
We gotta watch this or what?
Yeah, fuck that, let's play, bro. Бля, ну come on. Let's play! Ай, бро, ты чё? Did you see that, блядь?
Yeah, I know. This is a problem outside. Someone is smoking. This is not our problem, Damat.
Yeah. Agree. Hey, play! Let's go! Yep. Sorry, bro. My bad. Oh! Come on, bro. Скор, блядь! Найс! Охуенно, брат! Вот это я понимаю. Up. That was good, yeah? I didn't appreciate that. Shit. Сука. Nice. А, сука. Найс, Зидан! Зидан! Найс, Зидан! Брат! Ха! 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 Almost. Oh. Yeah. That was a good one. I think we are done with today's game. We some games we won, some games we lose, but in the end we just got good time. Yeah, bro. Did you get good time?
Amazing time. Let's do it again, guys. He didn't play at all. He was giving us water and giving us ball. Give my water, bro. I forgot you were here. Ball out.
He's the who is that? The who is water?
Yeah.
Water boy.
Put a shirt on. What the fuck is going on? We have a glass here. So.
Oh, what a nice car, bro. Not bad. BGC. Full of nice cars. Up. You risk your life, bro.
This is not like Europe. I left my cigarettes on the car.
Okay, take care, my friends. Yeah, that was a very pleasant day, pleasant evening, pleasant game. So they going home, and I go home as well. Almost 1 a.m. That's the field, already blacked out. So now you know where you can play football in Manila, in the Philippines. So thank you so much for watching this amazing video. So I will see you soon, guys, in new videos. Till then, take care, have fun, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget, that's very important. And like, don't forget. So thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.